From running fashion shows of big brands such as Givenchy, Gucci, and Adidas, to arranging virtual concerts of pop artists like Ariana Grande and Lil Nas X, everything is moving on the metaverse. From $180 billion today to more than $400 billion by 2025, a 122% increase in global revenue is estimated to be generated from virtual games alone, with investors taking a solid share of that money, whether it's through buying tokens, stocks, or newly created indexes. So today, we'll break down in detail 5 ways you can get started investing in the metaverse. The term metaverse grew in popularity when Facebook announced that its rebranding had changed to Meta. Facebook has made it clear that they intend to build their version of the metaverse idea, and a lot of people are wondering as we see lots of people searching Google for the term metaverse. And Web 3.0 in the metaverse will be the future we are all looking for. So if you're watching this video right now, you're ahead of about 99% of the people out there who aren't currently familiar with crypto and NFTs. There will be many different ways to deal with it, and we'll learn about them in this video. So by the end of this video, you'll have a thorough understanding of the various ways one can actually invest in the metaverse. And before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn notifications on. And welcome to NFT Tutor. We can invest in the metaverse as early as now, and that path involves purchasing the cryptocurrency tokens that support this metaverse. Then we have individual NFTs. We also have digital land in the metaverse, and then publicly traded stocks that support the infrastructure and construction of the metaverse. These are different ways one can position oneself in the metaverse, and this video is purely for entertainment purposes. Please invest in the metaverse at your own discretion. Before exploring each of them in detail, let's first understand the term metaverse in the simplest words. The metaverse can be better defined as the quasi-successor state of the internet, similar to how mobile networks have built and expanded the hard internet since the 1990s and 2000s. The metaverse will consist of multiple continuous digital environments that interact with each other and the physical world, creating a thriving economy that expands work and leisure as it seeks to transform long-standing industries and markets, including banking and finance, sales, education and wellness, and others. In other words, the metaverse would include not only the physical world and everyone and everything as we know it today, but also the digital world and all of its personal, physical, and professional perspectives. Investing in the metaverse. What does this market look like? It's important to note that cyberspace, or the virtual world, is nothing new. Companies like Nintendo, Decentraland, The Sandbox, and Roblox have been working with virtual reality spaces for years. Together, these companies attract millions of consumers. However, the stakes are high for big tech companies as they seek to unite these disparate communities into one metaverse. And for that, they also hope to receive some of the promised billions of dollars. Investment firm Grayscale, for example, estimates that global revenue from virtual games alone could grow from $180 billion today to more than $400 billion by 2025, a 122% increase. Our social lives and gaming are converging and creating a large, fast-growing virtual goods consumer economy, Grayscale analysts wrote in a research note. Content creators and other actors use cryptocurrencies to trade virtual goods in a metaverse economy. This new paradigm will also allow consumers to own their digital assets like non-fungible tokens, NFTs, trade them with others in games, and transfer them to other digital experiences, creating an entirely new free market economy that is monetizable in the physical world. And a lot of big companies are involved. Art gallery Sotheby's, BID, announced that NFT had hit $100 million in sales and launched Sotheby's Metaverse, a new virtual gallery on Decentraland that allows visitors to view available digital art. Similarly, in December 2021, Nike announced the expansion of its digital footprint through the acquisition of RTFKT, a virtual sneaker company. Other fashion brands such as Givenchy, Gucci, Dolce & Gabbana, and Adidas, to name a few, run virtual fashion shows on the metaverse. In the same way, pop artists like Ariana Grande and Lil Nas X held virtual concerts on the metaverse. attracting millions of fans from all over the world. The Metaverse economy also opens up new real estate investments. Some investors have paid millions of dollars for digital land on Metaverse platforms like the Sandbox, hoping to live with celebrities like rapper Snoop Dogg. Now let's explore the ways of investment in Metaverse. Number 1. Buying Metaverse tokens. Cryptocurrency investment is becoming more and more popular and is no longer limited to the rich and powerful community. Nowadays, anyone can invest in cryptocurrency. Metaverse tokens are one of the best ways to invest in Metaverse. Metaverse tokens are not easily distinguished from other cryptocurrencies and tokens, but they relate to almost the same sector. They work in different ways, and some, like Axie Infinity, function as web-based games where you can buy creatures to fight and make money. Many other Metaverse tokens are also attracting attention. These are some of the top cryptocurrencies on the Metaverse that will give you the highest returns in 2022. Axie Infinity, Decentraland, Sandbox, Nakamoto Games, MetaHero, and Blocktopia. Many people invest in this token because they believe that one day this platform will become a leading metaverse. Number 2. Purchase of Metaverse stocks. Metaverse stocks are the companies or enterprises that develop technology to create, maintain, or connect virtual worlds that are popular with science fiction writers. Chip manufacturing, VR-based technology, 3D imaging applications, server and network technologies are some of their specialties. The Metaverse is the next big investment theme, and certain stock sectors are already benefiting. Stock market investors continue to focus on Metaverse stocks. Metaverse stocks are one of the best ways to invest in Metaverse. Today, there are many Metaverse stocks to choose from. On the one hand, you can invest in more direct names that come to the fore, like Microsoft. Companies like Zoom, on the other hand, are truly part of the picture. Other different stock options are Facebook, Apple, Nvidia, Roblox, and Unity. Number 3. Investing by purchasing in-game NFTs. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are becoming more and more popular. According to the expanded analysis, trading volume on NFT reached $10.67 billion in the third quarter of 2021, an increase of 704% from the previous quarter. The growing popularity of NFT games is a factor driving the rapidly growing trading volume. In-game items accounted for $2.3 billion in trading volume during this period, which is 22% of the total. NFT games are a way for investors to capitalize on the NFT craze. Many NFT games include financial predictions that allow players to make money while playing. As the popularity of NFT games increases, so does its economic potential. Some games are emerging as a potential source of income for players, making them fun to watch. Number 4. Digital land purchase in Metaverse. The land has always been a popular investment opportunity. Buying land is one of the best ways to invest in the Metaverse. Although a variety of financial products are available, including mutual funds and stocks, their popularity has not waned. However, you should be aware of all the pros and cons of investing in digital land. The amount of money needed for land investment is quite large if you want to buy land in Decentraland or Sandbox. People with limited resources cannot afford to invest in digital land. If you own a small, medium, or large piece of land in the Metaverse, you can lease it to creators, builders, or gamers who can't even afford the land, but leasing it allows them to run their business on your land, with which you can earn rent. This will increase additional income. There are several new Metaverse platforms coming up where land prices will be lower. Demand will also be lower, but it's expected to increase over time. Gaia Everworld, NetVRK, Cube are some of the Metaverse projects where you can buy land. Still watching? Then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content. Also, turn on the notification bell. Number 5. Investing in Metaverse Index. The Metaverse Index, or MBI, is designed to capture entertainment, sports, and business models moving into the virtual world. The Metaverse Index can be a viable investment option for those looking for a high-yield digital currency. The Metaverse Index is currently trading at $818,966. the Metaverse Index is one of the best ways to invest in the metaverse. So here include all tokens in one index instead of buying each token separately and adding more risk to your portfolio. After all, you can shop on the Metaverse Index if you just want to expose yourself to the Metaverse coin in general right now. It's a much thinner, safer, and slower, more stable bet, but it's the type of asset that some investors prefer because it's less risky. So this can be a way to get involved in buying and investing in the metaverse without exposing yourself to a lot of risks. So there are several ways to invest in the metaverse. Many people today are fascinated by the metaverse. In addition, there are many people who want to take the opportunity to be early and invest early in metaverse or metaverse-related assets. Of course, all of this is also very risky. We don't know which metaverse investment will work. Crypto and NFT in general, now just venture capital investments, just because we've covered these things. It doesn't mean you should invest your life savings in the metaverse right now. Do your own research and make your own decisions. Let us know below in the comments how you prefer to dive in when investing in the metaverse. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the screen and watch the next video, Top 5 Metaverse Investments, as I'm sure you'll find that worthwhile to watch as well.